Hi, welcome to my channel. Madalena and Molly here, and today Molly's going to apply my extensions back into my hair. The extensions have been removed about 3 weeks ago. They're clean and ready to go back in my hair. They've got the paper seal on, and this is a 22 inches hair extensions as well. We normally recommend that the removal and reapplication is done in one appointment. I'm just going to show you the pattern that we're using for the application. I'm just going to use the whiteboard to show you that. So this is the hairline, and then we've got the hairline there as well, and then I'm going to draw the ears. That's it. And the hairline as well. At the first row, we're going to have 2 tapes there. 1, 2. The second row, we're going to work in a brick line pattern. We're going to have 3 extensions on the second row. And then the third row, again, brick line. We're going to have 4 extensions on the third row. And then the last row, we're going to have 4 extensions again. Now the last row, the 4th row, is not really necessary. So for some of my clients, we don't really apply as many extensions. But in my case, we're going to do another row. So we're going to have another 4 extensions. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last row ends at the top of the ear normally. And that's a little bit lower there as well. So yeah, it's about there. Perfect. We also have the exclusion zone, so from the hairline to the first row, and that's about 2 centimeters really. But it can be free depending on how thick the hair is in the nape area. This is what's going to happen on the side of the hair. So the first row is going to be applied in diagonals. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3 tapes. That's it. And then brickwork pattern, we're going to have 1 and 2. So the reason why we're going to put them in diagonals is because it's easier for me to put my hair up into a ponytail in the crown area. And then again, we do have the 2 centimeters away from the hairline, which is over here. So we've got the 2 centimeters. And this will be the back. The back is going to be here somewhere. So we're going to have 1, 2, the last row. So it's going to be here somewhere. So the last extension, the last tape on the first row on the side, can be applied horizontal instead of diagonal, and that is all depending on whether we've got the hair is a little bit gappy on the side or not, so you're going to have to check and see that. there's quite a big difference between my length and the extension. So the extensions are 22 inches and my length is about like 13-12 inches. So it's really good that the ends are layered and also thinned out. So this is the final look, guys. I love my long fresh hair. I hope you enjoy these videos. If you've got any questions, please drop them in the bar below. I'm very happy to reply to all of you. My 22 inches extensions are back in my hair, so I'm ready for summer now. And don't forget to like, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. See you in the next video.